Will robots take over the world? This is a question we often hear, especially with all the talk about automation and AI. In 2025, technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and automation is already a huge part of how businesses operate and how we live. From self driving cars to robots in our homes, we are becoming more dependent on machines every day. But how much of this is truly going to affect us? And how much is just hype? In this video, we're going to dive into the reality of automation and explore the role robots will play in shaping our lives. Stay tuned, because you might be surprised by the answers. To understand the impact automation will have, we first need to know what it is. In simple terms, automation is the use of technology to perform tasks without human involvement. It's the reason why machines on factory floors can assemble cars, why you can check out at a supermarket without a cashier, and why robotic arms are packing boxes in warehouses. The goal of automation is to make processes more efficient, producing more with less effort. Now, while automation isn't new, what's changing today is the level of sophistication in these technologies. Robots are no longer just simple tools. They are becoming intelligent. Thanks to advances in artificial intelligence, robots can now learn from their environment, adapt to new tasks, and even make decisions on their own. The shift from basic automation to smart automation is one of the biggest drivers of change. Let's look at some real-world examples of automation already at work. In factories, robots are assembling cars and electronic devices with precision and speed. In retail, self-checkout systems and online shopping algorithms are helping businesses streamline operations. Fast food chains are experimenting with automated kitchens, where robots prepare meals with little to no human intervention. And don't forget delivery drones and self-driving cars, which are becoming more common in major cities. By 2025, automation will play an even larger role in the workforce. However, this doesn't mean robots are going to replace all human workers. Many jobs will evolve rather than disappear. For example, while robots may take on repetitive tasks, there will still be a need for humans to oversee, repair, and manage these systems. Plus, automation is creating new roles like robotics technicians, AI specialists, and data analysts to manage and maintain these advanced systems. Of course, the question everyone is asking, will robots take our jobs? The answer is more complicated than a simple yes or no. While robots can replace tasks like assembly line work, customer service, and even data entry, many of these jobs are evolving. The real challenge lies in helping workers transition into new roles. Workers will need to reskill and upskill to stay relevant in the future job market. But this is where things can get tricky. Some industries may struggle to provide the training needed for workers to move into these new roles. Now, let's look at the positives. Automation is transforming industries by making businesses more efficient. It reduces the margin for human error, increases production speed, and lowers costs. This can result in lower prices for customers, better quality products, and faster services. In healthcare, for example, robots are assisting in surgeries with remarkable precision, diagnosing illnesses faster, and even helping deliver medication in hospitals. Automation isn't just about convenience, it's about improving lives. While automation brings many benefits, there are also significant risks and challenges that we must address. One of the biggest concerns in job displacement. As robots take over repetitive tasks, workers may struggle to find new employment. Another challenge is over-reliance on technology. What happens when a robot malfunctions or is hacked? Finally, there are ethical questions surrounding robots. Should robots be allowed to make decisions that affect human lives, like in healthcare or self-driving cars? And if something goes wrong, who's accountable? As automation becomes more widespread, security and privacy become even more critical. Robots and AI systems are increasingly connected to the internet, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Imagine a robot in a hospital that's hacked, or an autonomous vehicle that's compromised. These systems need robust cybersecurity protections to prevent unauthorized access. Plus, as robots gather more data, we must ensure that people's privacy is protected and that sensitive information isn't misused. One area that will experience significant change due to automation is education. As robots and AI become more integrated into everyday life, we'll need a workforce that can design, operate, and maintain these systems. That's why the future of education will focus heavily on STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We'll see more emphasis on coding, robotics, and AI literacy at younger ages to prepare the next generation for a world where automation is everywhere. While automation is advancing quickly, there are ways we can prepare for the future. Governments and businesses must work together to ensure that workers are given the proper training and support to adapt to an automated world. Reskilling programs will be crucial for helping workers transition into new roles. At the same time, businesses should be mindful of the social implications of automation, ensuring they don't leave people behind in the process. So, will robots take over in 2025? Not in the way you might think. While robots and automation will change the workforce and daily life, they're not going to replace us. Instead, we'll see more collaboration between humans and machines, allowing us to do more with less. Automation has the potential to improve productivity, lower costs, and even save lives. But it also requires careful planning to address the risks and the challenges that come with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology.